Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a delicious flan. First, gather your ingredients: 4 large eggs, 1 egg yolk, 1 cup of granulated sugar, 2 cups of whole milk, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. You will also need a 7-inch round baking dish and a larger pan for a water bath. Preheat your oven to 325 degrees Fahrenheit, preparing for a delightful dessert. Next, let's create the rich caramel base. In a small saucepan, melt 1 cup of granulated sugar over medium heat, stirring constantly. Watch as it transforms into a beautiful amber color. Once smooth, carefully pour the hot caramel into your 7-inch baking dish, swirling it gently to coat the entire bottom. This crucial step provides the signature sweet topping for your flan. Now for the creamy custard. In a bowl, whisk together 4 large eggs, 1 egg yolk, and 1 cup of granulated sugar until well combined. In a separate saucepan, gently heat 2 cups of whole milk with 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract until warm, but not boiling. Slowly pour the warm milk into the egg mixture, whisking continuously to temper the eggs and prevent scrambling. Finally, it's time to bake and enjoy your flan. Pour the prepared custard mixture over the cooled caramel in your baking dish. Place this dish into a larger pan, then carefully fill the larger pan with about 1 inch of hot water, creating a water bath. Bake for 50 to 60 minutes until the center is just set. Chill for at least 4 hours before inverting and serving.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.